In this video, we're going to cover how to measure your current cane for a replacement tip. The first step is to remove the rubber cane tip using a turning motion to twist and loosen. If you're having trouble removing the tip, we recommend using a hair dryer to heat the rubber material and make it softer, or use a heavy-duty paper clip to break the suction between the tip and cane shaft while being mindful not to scratch the shaft. Try placing the cane on the floor and using your feet to anchor the tip in place while you twist the cane back and forth, and then pulling up will usually do the trick. After removing the rubber tip, the next step is to print the cane tip sizing sheet. You can find the link in the description of this video or visit help.fashionablecanes.com. Click Cane Tips. Then click the How Do I Measure My Current Cane for a Replacement Tip article. Under Step 2, select the blue Click Here text and print the sheet. When you are printing the cane tip sizing sheet, click More Settings and make sure the scale is set to 100%. These screens may look different depending on the type of computer you are using. After you print the document, place a quarter on the image to make sure the scale is correct. Place the tip of your cane on the dotted circles and make sure the dotted lines touch exactly to the sides of the cane. Be sure to measure the cane shaft with the rubber tip removed. And now you know how to measure your current cane for a replacement tip. Thanks for helping make canes fashionable.